Hey everybody, welcome back to 3 and 3. This week's topic is Microsoft Information Protection, so let's get started. All right, we're back, and I've got John Allheiser with me. He's a senior consultant on the Digital Workplace team. So John, what is Microsoft Information Protection?
Microsoft Information Protection is a built-in, intelligent, unified solution that understands and classifies your data and keeps it protected. Information protection uses sensitive info types to help you discover and understand sensitive information across devices, apps, cloud, on premises. Information protection starts with the info type, and then it gets applied to a label. The label gets applied to documents, or it can be put into a DLP policy to protect data from leaving the organization.
Excellent. Excellent. So if I were to summarize, it's a way for organizations to find and label sensitive information so they can either protect it from leaving the company or protect it from potentially data loss even within the company.
Correct.
All right. So John, now that we know what it is, tell us what's interesting about information protection.
Well, with information protection, what's interesting is once you have that sensitive info type, you now have a unified system where you can create either labels or DLP policies, and you can run them in either simulation or active mode. So we only need to create one DLP policy, or a DLP policy once, I should say, and a label once, and then that can be applied many times to many different locations, with the labels staying with that document wherever it goes. DLP policy protects documents inside from going out, and together they work in Teams and SharePoint and OneDrive to provide that unified information protection that you're looking for with Microsoft Security.
Excellent. All right. So now that we know we can protect our data, what's interesting really about it is how pervasive it is throughout the entire Office 365 suite, and that we can then maybe find a particular area to start with rather than thinking about having to apply it to the entire company right away.
Right.
Excellent. All right. So last question, John, is what should our viewers do about it today?
Well, information protection can seem like a daunting task, and that might be a roadblock to some. And the way to get past that is to think about it with a small project. Think about what that project's called, create sensitive info types based on keywords in that project, create labels and DLP policies for it, and then apply those to auto-apply anytime those keywords are found in a document. And then the final thing is create a team in Microsoft Teams for that project. And when you create that team, it will ask you to add a sensitive info label to that team. And there it is, the one you created for your project. Now everything in Teams gets applied and you're automatically protected. You can do this without spreading to the whole organization immediately.
All right, excellent. So you can get started with a small pilot group, pick something like maybe it's credit card numbers or a highly sensitive project name or something like that, and really just test it out in a pilot mode.
Yeah, correct.
Excellent. Well, thank you, John, for your time today. This has been excellent. I know I've learned a lot. And of course, if you want to learn more information about Microsoft Information Protection or other technologies, you can always click that connect button at the top of valorumreply.com. Thanks a lot, John, and we'll see everybody next time.